Hey fuckers, welcome back to another video. Now today, based on the thumbnail, you guys know we're having our first race on our boosted G35, and we're having our first race against our good friend Genzilla, who by the way just released his product DragonsBreath. If you want to shoot green flames, I'm gonna leave the link down in the description down below. Go check it out. It's freaking insane. It'll make you stand out at a car meet if you shoot flames for sure, 100%. The reason why I want to race my friend Genzilla is because he's one of the few people that I've raced on my stock G35, so I want to see the difference, the improvement, and I'll show you the old clip as well so you guys can see. I'm gonna go do the cold start. It's like 7:20 a.m. It's 55 degrees, perfect weather. Let's head out right now. We gotta do a cold start. I'm sorry neighbors, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what you guys think. So without further ado, cold start up. Ooh, this is gonna hurt. Oh. We are now headed to that destination. I don't know what that place is. This place we always go to where we do our run. I'm running through my neighborhood right now, so I don't want to stomp on it. You know, I don't like to be loud around them, but just to avoid trouble, you know. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys my spec sheet for all the new viewers, of course. So before, when I raced him in my first race, all I had was an exhaust, I believe, and I think that was it. And now obviously some time has passed and we were able to upgrade the G. Lightweight drive shaft, Vortech Supercharger kit, we got a different manifold, we got a tune. Currently at the moment I was pushing around 421 wheel on, I think, 9 something PSI. Alright guys, this is my friend Genzilla. He's got work. I don't even know why he came out. Freaking OG, thank you very much. And he's gonna tell you guys a little bit about his car real quick.
Remember from last time, you know, I said it was like, I think it's around like 300 horsepower. A lot of you guys were disappointed last time. You're like, oh damn, you know, that's the Genesis, it's supposed to beat the G35. Bro, it's wide, it's not meant for speed, so but we should, I think it's hitting like 300 horsepower, somewhere around there,
there
like
you go.
The wheels.
Yeah,
so he's
definitely wide body, guys, and he's got some wide ass wheels and tires, so take that in mind. With that being said, thank you for coming out.
Don't worry, don't be butthurt, guys. You know, it's all good.
Nah, it's an awesome looking car. Okay, so also, like I said, once again, check out his new product,
DragonsBreath, man. Can make your exhaust flames shoot green, man.
Hell yeah. All right, so we got our roadway. Let's go ahead and get in our cars and begin the race. To freaking launch the car. Oh look, there's more runway that way. Oh, that was cool, man. You could feel the car just pull and keep on going. It's fucking nuts. Sideways. All right, ready? All right. want to do like a 40 roll and then dip from here? I did? Alright, ready? Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can launch it in second gear, that's why. Alright, ready? And then we just go home from here. Then you could go to work. Like, once we're done with the race, just go home. Alright? Oh, okay, sounds good. Alright, ready? Go. Alright guys, here just some thoughts here after the race. On the first run that we did, I kind of hesitated to slam on first just because I know that it will slip and do a lot of things. On the first run I kind of hesitated, and then once the car got going, it got going, right? And then in the second race I was like, you know what the hell was that hesitation? Let me full throttle this bitch, right? So I stomped on that hoe and this bitch was squirming. I shifted to second, it was still squirming. I'm like, oh hell no, I'm about to die today, brother. So I kind of like let it kind of get traction, and then I kind of went. And then in the last run I try to do a second gear run because that's when it gets traction, second gear, so that I can get my mojo going. And then so we launched the second gear, the car launched good and whatnot, but my friend said he didn't hear the honk, and I don't even blame him because we're in second gear, the blow off valve is just going through the roof, you can't hear it absolutely anything. So I guess he didn't hear the honk on the last run. But regardless, those were the runs. Hopefully you guys enjoyed them, and so let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below, what you guys thought about that race. It was my first race, it felt awesome, it was beautiful, nothing, no problem, so I can't really complain about nothing, right? So with that being said, I'll catch you guys next video. Thank you guys so much for supporting the videos. I'll catch you guys next episode, and I have my freaking test for my job next week, so wish me the best of luck, fuckers, and hopefully I pass that test. And if we get that job and we get our mojo dojo going, man, we could get a lot of stuff going on here for the car and hopefully build the motor for the G35. That being said, also congratulations to Natish21, bro. He's got like 1,900 wheel horsepower G35. Absolutely insane for killing the freaking G35 game. All congratulations, brother. And I'll catch you guys next video. Thank you guys so much for all the support. Peace out.